Hey everybody, welcome to the channel, Monkey Productions. I've been a ham operator for a few years now, and I kind of took a break for a while, and recently got into Parks on the Air activations. So I think I'm gonna start doing some YouTube stuff with Parks on the Air. So my ham or amateur radio call sign is Kilo Hotel 7 Foxtrot Charlie. That's KH7FC. I was originally licensed in Hawaii, and I have not changed my call sign to my current location, which is Virginia, because I like my call sign, and I paid a nice little bit of money to get this call sign before they stopped charging people for call signs. So here in just a second, I'm going to turn on my radio. I'm using an FT891, Yaesu 891, and then I have a 20-meter ham stick on the roof of my Chevy Colorado right at the moment. So let's turn on the radio and see if we can hear anybody.
Hello to you, Roster, New York. Port conditions today on my side, about 5858 in Slovenia, roger.
Oh wow, Slovenia.
Okay, thanks for the report. The band is mostly bad, complete day, so not your fault for the bad conditions. Ross, thanks for the call, 73 to New York. Take care, bye-bye. Yeah, 73, Sugar 51, David X-Ray, standing by.
Kilo Hotel 7 Foxtrot Charlie from Virginia.
K7 Fox Charlie, Virginia, hello to you. Well, I was done thinking that you are on Hawaii. Since the propagation is so low, Hawaii couldn't come anytime. Anyway, 59 today, 59 in Slovenia. Handle is Yanis, go ahead.
Roger. Yeah, you're probably about 10 over here into Virginia. I'm actually about to start a Parks on the Air and a WWFF activation. I'm at Park Kilo Foxtrot 4000. Could I get your call sign again, please?
It's a Sierra 51 Denmark X-Ray S51DX in Slovenia. Thanks, Sam. Thanks for the report, and well, enjoy DXing and go DX to Virginia. KH7FC. See you from Hawaii someday. Bye-bye.
Alrighty, thank you, and 7 3s.
Thank you, Sugar 51 David X-Ray.
Alright, so that was pretty cool. Got some DX, which means that I got over the ocean, usually is what DX is, but DX is really making contact anywhere outside of your home country, except for United States to Canada doesn't really count as DX in most contests and stuff of that sort, because we're so close together. I don't think Mexico counts either, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I'm still kind of new to the whole DX thing. But that was pretty cool. Got a contact to Slovenia. I've never had a contact there before. So I'll put that in my log, and I'm going to go and try to see if I can find some other people and get some more contacts. So give me a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to switch over to calling CQ myself, which CQ is basically saying, hey, everybody, this is me. Please call me and let me know how I sound. So, yep, that's what we're going to be doing today. And I got my laptop right here in my lap, and then I have my Bose QC35-2s that I'm going to be using with my boom mic, and I'll be on the air here in just a minute, calling CQ myself. So we'll see you in just a minute.
Kilo Hotel 7 Foxtrot Charlie, November 5 Alpha, November Yankee.
November 5 Alpha, November Yankee, was that?
Roger, N5 Annie, Tulsa, Oklahoma. You're 5x7 or 5x9, over.
Roger. You're probably about 5858 here on the eastern shore of Virginia.
I'm sorry, what was your QTH again, over?
Eastern shore of Virginia at Kilo 4000.
Kilo 1000?
4000, number 1234, 4000.
much contacts today, N5 and Y.
Roger, roger. Thanks for the contact, and 7-3s.
Delta Lima 1, Ecuador, Japan, America.
DX station, say again.
Delta Lima 1, Echo Juliet Alpha. Delta Lima 1, Echo Juliet Alpha. Good morning, go.
Delta Lima 1, Echo Juliet Alpha. Oliver, how you doing, my friend?
Roger, roger. Yeah, just coming back home from shopping. I did some house shopping, but saw your spot on Facebook, so I'll just have a look at your signal. 55, 5 and 5, loud and clear, over.
Roger, roger, Oliver. You're probably about a 5-3 here on the Eastern Shore of Virginia.
Okay, thanks for the 5 and 3. I will put you here into the worldwide fluoropowder cluster and get the file off rising, okay?
Roger, roger. Yeah, I was hoping somebody would do that for me once a couple of people got a hold of me, so I appreciate that.
Okay, cheerio, and see you in the next spot. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao, and 7-3s and 44s. QRZ.
WAHTP.
W, say again? I think that was a Whiskey 8 station, say again?
Whiskey 8, Hotel Tango Bravo, almost 7.
Whiskey 8, Hotel something Bravo?
Hotel.
Yeah, you cut out there. Say again. Hotel something Bravo.
Whiskey 8, Hotel Tango Bravo.
Roger, roger. Whiskey 8, Hotel Tango Bravo. I got you probably about a 5-3 on the Eastern Shore of Virginia.
Roger, can I have your call one more time, please?
My call is Kilo Hotel 7 Foxtrot Charlie. Kilo Hotel 7 Foxtrot Charlie.
Kilo Hotel, Foxtrot, I need the last number, letter.
Kilo Hotel 7 Foxtrot Charlie.
Roger, roger, 73, Kilo Hotel, Foxtrot. Kilo Hotel 7, Foxtrot.
Charlie. I think the QSB got you there, but I got you in the log. 7-3s and QRZ. I think I heard somebody out there. QRZ? And this is Kilo Hotel 7 Foxtrot Charlie. Parks on the air from Kilo 4000 QRZ. I hear a DX station in there. Again. Again. Oscar November 5. Again. Roger. Oscar November 5, Sierra Whiskey Alpha. You're probably about a 5-2. Roger. 73s and 44s. Thanks for the contact.
United Tokyo 5. United Tokyo 5, Papa Italy. United Tokyo 5, Papa Italy.
Say again.
United Tokyo 5, Papa Italy.
United something 5.
Italy. United Tokyo 5, Papa Italy.
United Foxtrot 5, Papa Italy. QSL?
Roger. United Tokyo 5, Papa Italy. United Tokyo 5, Papa Italy. You are 5 by 5. QSL?
Roger, the 5x5, United Foxtrot 5, Papa Italy. I have you probably about a 5-4 at Kilo 4000.
United Tokyo 5, Papa Italy. United Tango 5, Papa Italy. United Tango 5, Papa Italy. Yourself, Tango. 73, 44, bye-bye.
United Tango 5, Papa Italy. Sorry about that, I got you now. Yep, 7-3s.
Florida 1, Bravo, Lima.
Foxtrot 1, Bravo, Lima. How are you doing today?
Okay, Foxtrot 1, Bravo, Lima. Good morning, 5-4, would you?
Roger, 44s. QRZ.
Go ahead, Doc.
This is Kilo Hotel 7 Foxtrot Charlie. Parks on the air from Kilo and Kilo Foxtrot 4000 4000 QRZ.
Bravo. Delta Lima 1, Sugar Whiskey Bravo.
Something with a Whiskey Bravo.
Oscar November 4, Victoria Tango.
Oscar November 4, Victoria Tango, QSL. Oscar November 4 station, say again.
Victoria Tango. Rồi, tên của đánh làm gì ạ?
Oscar November 4, Victoria Tango, QSL. Oscar November 4, Victoria Tango. You were probably about a 5252 into 4,000 into Kilo 4000 QSL.
Yeah, Oscar November 4, Victor Tango, Ocean 94, Victor Tango. You're 5 and 7, 57 QSL.
QSL to 57 in Belgium. Thank you for the contact, 73s.
Okay, thank you for the new one, 73 and 44.
73s and 44s, thank you. QRZ, the Whiskey, Italy Whiskey 2 station, please.
Italy Whiskey 2, November X-ray Italy.
Italy Whiskey 2, November X-ray Italy, QSL.
Good morning, 5 and 5, 5 and 5.
Roger, you're probably about a 5 and 5 here in Virginia, 5 and 5.
Juliet, Mexico, Zulu. Italy, Zulu 5, Japan, Mexico, Zulu.
Alrighty, thanks for joining me, guys. This was a wild adventure. It was about 3 hours of being on the radio, and that's only like 10, maybe 11 minutes of what happened, and it just kept going and kept going and kept going. But it was a lot of fun. I thank all the people that were out there that contacted me today, and all the people that put me on the spots page so that more people can come and contact me. For now, I'm gonna have to say 73s and 44s, and we'll see you at the next park.